In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store page in Wix Studio with Wix Stores. First, open your site in Wix Studio, log into your Wix account, and open the site you want to turn into a store. Make sure you're working in the Wix Studio editor, the version with the left-hand panel of tools visible. If you see that panel, you're in the right place and ready to build. Next, install Wix Stores from the App Market. In the left-hand panel, click App Market. Use the search bar to type Wix Stores, then select the official Wix Stores e-commerce app and click Install. Confirm any prompts or permissions that appear. The app will automatically add the essential store pages for you so you don't have to create them from scratch. When the installation finishes, go to the Pages panel from the left-hand side. You'll notice new pages added to your site structure, including a category page for product listings, a product page for individual items, and both cart and checkout pages. These are the core building blocks of your store. Open the category page to start designing your storefront. This is the main page visitors use to browse your products. Click anywhere on the page to begin editing. Adjust the layout and spacing so items are easy to scan, and set fonts and colors that match your brand. A clean grid, clear headings, and consistent color accents help shoppers focus on your products. Keep text readable and make sure buttons stand out, especially the ones that guide people to view products or add them to the cart. With the category page open, click it and choose Manage Products to start adding inventory. You can add products one by one or import a list if you already have your details prepared. Include a clear product name, accurate price, a concise, benefit-focused description, and high-quality images. Assign each product to the right categories so it appears in the correct sections on your category page. Well-organized categories help shoppers find what they want quickly. To keep your store consistent, repeat your styling choices on the product, cart, and checkout pages. Align fonts, colors, and button styles so the experience feels seamless from browsing to purchase. When you're happy with the look and everything is working as expected, click Publish to take your store live. That's how you add a store page in Wix. By installing Wix Stores from the App Market, opening the category page, and managing your products, you can turn any Wix site into a clean, professional online shop in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy building.